Phonetic Alphabet, the way real heroes do it.
Alpha is for ambulance racing down the lane. Bravo is for brakes, slowing in the rain. Charlie is for chopper, flying in the sky. Single letters loud and high. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, go! Lights are flashing, sirens blow. Delta, Echo, Foxtrot 2. Heroes rushing through and through. Delta is for driver, keeping calm and strong. Echo is the echo of the siren song. Foxtrot is the footsteps, racing to the call. Hear the team, they help us all. Golf is for gear, like helmets, boots, and coats. Hotel is for the helicopter floating like a boat. India is for instructions, stay calm, don't fear. Everyone's a helper here. Julia is for the jet ski, splashing to the foam. Kilo is the kit we take to every home. Lima is the lifeboat, bouncing on the tide. Hop aboard, let's take a ride. Mike is for the microphone, calling out with care. November as the night shifts, always be there. Oscar is the officer, helping keep the peace, working hard to bring relief. Papa is for the paramedic with a steady hand. Quebec is for questions, helping us understand. Romeo is the rescue team, strong and brave and quick. Call them up, they're there real quick. Sierra is for the sirens, wailing loud and proud. Tango is the traffic, moving from the crowd. Uniform is the uniform, neat from head to toe. Look sharp, now off we go. Victor is the vehicle, ready for the scene. Whiskey is the water, keep the engines clean. X-ray shows the X-ray van, helping bones to heal. Yankee is the yellow sign, safety is the deal. Zulu is for zooming team, moving fast and strong. They see you, we all belong. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, go! Zooming fast or moving slow. Delta, Echo, Foxtrot 2. Hero rushing through and through. X-ray, Yankee, Zulu cheer, helping others far and near. That's the way the phonics go, in the world of emergency go.